He's so hungry. Oh my god. It's like he hasn't eaten forever. Oh, look at him. Look at him eat. He's practically climbing my legs when I went to feed him. You don't feel the least bit bad for this cat?
Huh. Don't want the best for him, but I'm sure you can find a good home.
I know. All I'm saying is, well, I mean, like I said, even if you were willing to let me bring him in and all that, Wilson would not. Oh, it would be horrible. And Shelby, you kidding me?
Yeah.
It would not be a good idea. So.
Chop that down.
I know, he was hungry. He's licking up the residue. Yeah, buddy, yeah. Hey. Your name is Buckle now. I'm gonna call you Buckle.
Buckle Outdoorsy.
What's Shari's last name? Because you know she made him take her last name. Shari. Remember the girl who married Buckle? Shari?
Oh, yeah.
Her last name was probably something really Jewish, like Rothstein or something. His name's like Buckle Rothstein. Oh, Ron. Oh, he's like pushing the food around. Buddy, I fed you, not Ron. Look at him. Look how tiny he is. Oh my god. And now he's drinking water. Yay! He's drinking the water. He's so happy. I should get a sleeping bag and sleep out here with him. Yeah, bud, I know. His balls. It's so cute, though. You, like, never see an animal with balls anymore. Oh, he was so hungry, Ron. He was so hungry. He was so hungry. Yes, he was. Yes. I know. Yeah. That sort of calmed his crying.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably what he wanted, was somebody to feed him.
Now you can go back home.
No. He thinks this is his home now. Hell, if he eats like that, then nobody's feeding him, or he's getting very little food, which means I don't want him to go back home. I'd rather make sure he goes to a shelter. Oh, look at him. Look at him.
Maybe Jeremy would want it.
Actually, that would not be a bad idea. He's really friendly. He's sort of cool, like Spacebar. Right?
I'll take a picture of him and send it to Jeremy.
Cool. I probably should go back upstairs, though. Ah, Jesus. Buckle! Buckle! Come here, Buckle. Yeah, your name is Buckle, isn't it? Oh, isn't your name Buckle? Yeah, I know. What's wrong, Buckle? You okay? Yeah. What's wrong, Buck? He's such a kitty.
Okay, smile for the camera. No, not too close. Say cheese.
He's rubbing against you. Oh! He thinks you're a house. That's how big you are to him.
Up here. Smile for you.
I think he wants to go inside.
No, he doesn't.
No, I said I think he wants to. I didn't say we should let him. That's two different things.
He doesn't want to go.
I'm not gonna let him go inside. I'm not. Like, he'll spray everywhere and all that. I'm not stupid, okay? Did you get a good one yet?
I don't know.
I got a few of them while he was eating.
He's not easy.
I'm videotaping him right now.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's helping. He doesn't want to get...
Oh,
Wait, hang on.